The puzzled penguin is at it again. He took 3,476 divided by 4. He put a 7 up top, and then he realized that 4 times 7 was 28, and when he subtracted, he got 6. Well, what is wrong with this? He knows he did something wrong, but he's not sure how to fix it. We know that this is not correct because 6 is bigger than our divisor. When you subtract and you get an answer that is larger than your divisor, like our puzzled penguin did here, you know that you did something wrong because you're able to fit another 4 into 34. So let's see how we can fix this problem. First, I'll show you the old school way, or the digit by digit division way, to solve this problem correctly. We know that 4 won't go into 3, and the puzzled penguin also knew that. He tried to figure out how many times 4 went into 34, but he came up a little short. We know that 4 will actually fit into 34 8 times. 8 times 4 is 32, and then we subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2, and 3 minus 3 is 0. Then I bring down my 7, one digit at a time. 4 will go into 27 6 times. 6 times 4 is 24. I subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3, 2 minus 2 is 0, and I bring down my 6. How many times will 4 go into 36? 9 times. 9 times 4 is 36, and we will not have a remainder. We can also solve this problem by using place value sections. I know that I only need 3 place value sections because my 4 won't go into my 3, but it will go into the 34. 4 will go into 34 8 times, and 800 times 4 would be 3,200. Now I will subtract, and I'll move my 76 to my next box. I know that my next answer up top, or my next place value section up top, will have 1 0. 4 will go into 27 6 times. 60 times 4 is 240. Now I subtract, and I move my last number to my last place value section. 4 will go into 36 9 times. 9 times 4 is 36, and I don't have a remainder. Now I need to write my answer in standard form. 869. The last method I will show you to solve this problem is the expanded notation method. So 4 still won't go into 3, but it will go into 34. And remember, we're using expanded notation, which is the same as place value sections, except instead of building across, you're building up and down. So 4 will go into 3,476 800 times. 800 times 4 is 3,200. Then I subtract, and I have 276. Now 4 will go into 276, or look at 4 into 27, and we know that will go in 60 times. 60 times 4 is 240, and then I subtract, and I'm left with 36, and I know 4 will go into 36 9 times. 9 times 4 is 36, and I do not have a remainder. Then I write that answer in standard form. Puzzled Penguin now understands that if he puts his quotient up top and then multiplies and gets an answer when subtracted has a larger remainder than our divisor, like we did here, then he knows he is not correct. You cannot have a larger remainder than your divisor.